Hey there folks, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a P0171 code on a General Motors engine. This is for a fuel trim system lean, as you can see on our diagnostic scanner there. So this is not going to be the only fix for this engine. You can have multiple fixes. This is just the easiest one and the first one you can look at. So we'll get you on the tripod and set you down and show you what's up. All right, so a fuel system lean code is caused by either too much air or not enough fuel getting into the system. So there are, as I said, a bunch of different fixes for this. Some can get pretty difficult, comprehensive, and expensive, but not to worry. The best way, regardless of your experience level, is to start cheap and easy. Easiest way for the 0171 code on any vehicle is to look at your mass airflow sensor. You're going to locate your engine air filter and your air box, which on our vehicle is right here, and you'll often find on the tube a wiring harness with the mass airflow sensor attached to that. These will get dirty, and when they do, they can't read properly and they can throw that code. So let's go ahead and take this off. All we're going to need is some parts cleaner. I'll show you on the bench inside the house. All right, so the bolt size may vary. I'm using a 5.5 millimeter on our Chevy Equinox here. So first thing you want to do is obviously disconnect the sensor. You're going to pull up your lock, pinch it, pull up so that the wiring harness doesn't get damaged. And then you're going to have the two screws. Usually it's only two screws on most vehicles. We're going to take those off and pull the sensor out. Always use hand tools on stuff like this when it goes into something plastic so you don't strip anything, because you'll be in a world of issues at that point. All right, so if we move our sensor around, you can see right inside of it, there's some sensor components right there. That's where the air passes over and reads the amount of air coming into the engine. If that's covered with any amount of dirt or grime, then you'll get a bad readout. You can kind of see them through there too. So what you want to do is get some sensor cleaner. Make sure it is specific for mass airflow sensors. So this is what I usually use, and we're going to spray it down, let it dry, get it back on the vehicle, and then clear the code. So this will evaporate. As you can see, it's starting to evaporate already. We just want to make sure it's totally dry before we put it back into the air box. Now these may look clean on the outside. If you look though, you can see there's ones all the way deep down there, all the way down to about here. So you want to make sure that you actually get deep in there and get it all sprayed out, swish it around, and dump it out again. I like to do this a few times. I don't mind using a lot of this just to make sure it's properly cleaned. All right, now that this is nice and dry and evaporated, we're going to get back into our air box here. Put it back the same way that you took it out and tighten it back down. And we plug in our harness, lock it. Then we're going to clear the code. Now for clearing codes, you will need a scan tool. You don't need an expensive one like this, but you do need one that is capable of clearing the fault codes. So we're going to go to clear DTCs and confirm it. All right, now you can see the ECM is clear. No fault codes there. So we're going to start it back up, run it for a while, and rescan it. All right, so we ran the engine to full operating temperature and we drove around the block a couple times just to make sure everything's all good and set in and warmed up. So it's had plenty of time to figure things out on the computer. We're gonna go back and do another health report and see if the code comes back. All right, so you can see our ECM there. Got a green check mark. There are no fault codes for that. So that fixes our 0171 code for fuel system trim lean. All right, so the only other thing that you're going to want to do is replace your engine air filter. So if you have a soiled mass airflow sensor like what we did, and that actually helped fix the issue, like in our scenario, you will need a new air filter because it's either dirty or torn. Maybe the rubber's a little deteriorated, but that means that dirt is getting past your filter and onto your sensor, which needs to stay clean. So if you do this, do the air filter with it. And as you saw, this was the easiest method. Again, I want to stress this before people comment on it. It is not the only fix to a 0171 code. It is the easiest and cheapest one. There are a whole bunch of other things like fuel injectors and throttle body and all that and parts replacements, but this is the easiest one. It was absolutely free, just need some spray cleaner, which you should have, so you can do this every springtime and keep it nice and clean. So hopefully you found this helpful. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will put a link in the description for our scan tool that we use. This is a bi-directional scan tool. It is a very good thing to have if you are doing a lot of DIY work. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you on the next video.